up, everyone? And today we are back, but not me. I'm here alone because Sarah left somewhere, and Sophia told me that she can't be in this video. I don't know why, and I don't ask her. So yeah, in this video, I'm gonna try to make a slime without a glue. My recipe. I'm not gonna see any recipes in. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna find a way to make slime, but yeah. So okay, guys. So I got a cup to mix in. And I have some eyeshadows from my sister to make that color. And I have this shampoo and cornstarch. So yeah, let's get started. First, I will put the shampoo in this thing, but not that much. Just put a little bit. I will be back. I'm gonna grab a shaving. I'm gonna get shaving cream too. Okay, see who's here. Sophia. But I find Sophia, but I don't want the shaving cream, so there's the shampoo. I will scrap some of this pigments. Now the cream.